Welcome to online class for class 12 computer science. In this section you will learn about some mathematical built-in function in Python. You know that function performs a particular task. There are some functions already available in Python which you can use in your program. Let's see an example. X is equal to abs minus 124. So in this example, I am calling a built-in function abs. This function will return the absolute value of the argument. Here I am passing an argument. Now, minus 124 is an argument in this function. So this function will return a value which is the absolute value of minus 124, and that value is stored in the variable x. You can print the value of x on the screen with the help of print function. Let's see the output. So the output is 124, the absolute value of minus 124. Let's take another example. Print absolute value of minus 500 is. This time I am directly calling the function inside the print function. So this print function will display a string absolute value of minus 500 is, and here I am calling the function. So this function returns the value 500 which is displayed on the screen. Let's see the output. Absolute value of minus 500 is 500. There is one more built-in function that is called round. Let's see an example. X is equal to round 4.567. Now what this round function will do, I am passing an argument 4.567. So this round function returns a number rounded off to the nearest decimal places. So this function will rounded off this number, and that number becomes 5 because 4.5 becomes 5. So x is assigned as 5. So you can display the value of x on the screen. Print x. Let's run the program. It is 5. Suppose you want to round it up the number to some decimal places, for example 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places. So you have to pass 2 arguments in this round function. Let's see an example. Y equal to round 56.432, and I am passing one more argument inside it 2. So this second argument tells how many decimal places you want to round it up this number. So this number will be rounded up to 2 decimal places. So this number becomes 56.43. Let's see the value of y with the help of print function. So the value of y is 56.43, means it is rounded up to 2 decimal places, means after decimal 2 digits are there. There is one more built-in function in Python which is called min. Let's see an example. X equal to min 98, 45, 67, 23, 11, 78. So inside this min function you can pass arbitrary number of arguments, means you can pass as many arguments as you want. All those arguments must be a numerical number. means must be numbers. These mathematical built-in functions operates on numbers only. So this min function will return the minimum value from the group of values. The minimum value is 11. So 11 will be stored, 11 will be assigned to this x. Let's see what is the value of x. Print x. So the minimum value is 11. Let's take another example. I am declaring a tuple here, tuple 1. You know that tuple is a group of values enclosed in parentheses. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 50, 60, 70. Now if you pass this tuple in this min function, then this min function can also operate on these numbers. Let's see, print minimum value is min. Now I am passing tuple inside this function. Now you can see the output on the screen. Minimum value is 50. Since tuple contains numbers, so this min function can operate on these numbers and it will return the minimum value. Similarly, one more function is there, that is called max. Max will return the maximum value from the group of values. Now what is the maximum value? The maximum value is 900. So this max function will return 900 and that value will be stored in this variable x. And you can print the value of x on the screen. Let's run this program. So the maximum value is 900, which is displayed on the screen. Let's take another example. Suppose I declare a tuple marks equal to 99, 89, 56, 78, 34, 92, and you can call the max function maximum marks comma max, and you can pass a tuple inside it, marks. So this statement will print max mark, this string on the screen, and you are calling a function max and you are passing a tuple. Tuple contains these values, so this max function returns the maximum value from these group of values, that is 99. So the output of this code is maximum marks 99. Let's see the output. Maximum marks 99. So these are some built-in functions, ABS, min, max, round, which are very helpful in writing an effective program in Python. Hope you understand the concept of built-in functions, some mathematical functions. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.